Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to set up Google Tag Manager on Bluehost. So I just tap on official Bluehost website. Before you creating an account, you will have to purchase the plan. And if you want to buy to premium or subscription of Bluehost, please go through the link in description. You will get a referral code after creating your account. So how to install a Google Analytics WordPress plugin on your website. So you can find and install plugin from your WordPress dashboard. Go to plugin and add new. So just tap on it, add new button, and after in the search field in the top right, enter name Google Analytics plugin. Click the install now button to the right of the plugin. So after installing your Google Analytics, so in the box label Google Analytics Measure and ID, paste in your tag ID, click and the save settings button. So next, follow these steps to enable additional e-commerce tracking in Google Analytics. Navigate to admin and choose the account you want to enable or not. Enhance e-commerce. So after you will choose the settings of your choice and toggle the settings on to track, off or off not to track features like purchase, transaction and much more. So hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.